Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back with a video after a week-long break. I mentioned in my last video that I was going on vacation. I was out of town for a week and I had this whole big bright idea that I was gonna film like 6 videos. I was gonna edit them and be organized and prepared and ready for when I was gone, and things just didn't work out that way. I've come to realize that I am not a pre-filming kind of bitch. So yeah, I didn't get any of that done like I wanted to. I'm just not like a plan ahead kind of person. I just don't work that way, and I keep trying to change myself, and maybe one day I'll be like organized and like well prepared, but today is just not that day. So for today's video, the reason my hair looks like shit is because it is shit right now. I haven't washed it in like, oh my god, I washed my hair like 4 days ago, I think. I only wash my hair like once or twice a week, and I haven't needed to wash it again because I haven't been doing anything since I got home. It is like a complete mess right now, but we're gonna be doing the 3 quick and easy, fast back to school hair tutorials. If I don't have my hair curled, these are like my 3 go-to quick hairstyles. Usually I wear my hair down and I curl it. That's just how like I like my hair. I feel like my most confident when my hair is down and is curled, but sometimes you just don't have time. These were like my 3 go-tos, where if I was running late to work and I didn't have time to curl my hair or make it look like super cute that day, I would do one of these 3 hairstyles, and I feel like they're still cute and polished. Like I still felt like I looked cute. I still felt like somewhat professional and presentable, but I didn't have to take the time to like curl my hair and like zhuzh it and play with it and make sure everything looked perfect. But these still looked super cute, and I would still get compliments on my hair when I did my hair like this. So I actually filmed this video yesterday, and me being the big dumbass that I am, didn't realize that my microphone wasn't plugged into the camera. It was like in the hole, but it wasn't plugged in all the way. There was no audio, so I'm redoing it today, and actually I feel like I'm kind of like, I'm not glad that that happened, like I'm annoyed that that happened. I'm already doing these 3 hairstyles. I have so much product in my hair, so it's like almost even better for you guys, because like my hair is so dirty right now. It's like almost embarrassing to say, but I'm gonna show you guys what you can do if your hair is like as nasty as mine is, but you still wanna look cute. You wanna be out the door and on time for school. Even though I know school already started, it's still the beginning of the school year, so I feel like this is still appropriate for back to school. You could totally do these hairstyles for anything. You can do them if you just don't wanna curl your hair, you don't feel like it, for work, like any type of event where you're like in a pinch and you need your hair done, but you don't have time to do it. These are my go-tos. Okay, so let's start with this first one. This is gonna be like super fast. I love to do my makeup. I love to just sit and blend and take my time. I could take hours doing my makeup to the point that it's absolutely ridiculous. But by the time I'm done with my makeup, I just don't wanna do my hair, and I'll do my hair like when it comes to it, I'm like, oh my god, I so don't want to do my hair. I hate washing my hair. I hate blow drying it. I just hate doing my hair in general. I feel like I'm like the perfect person to show you guys like how fast and easy this is, because I hate doing my hair more than anything in this world. So let's go ahead and start. So first things first, we're gonna do a cute little like half up, half down moment. I know Ariana Grande is like so famous for this hairstyle, but I've actually been doing this hairstyle since I was probably in high school. No joke. I've been doing this for like the last 10 years, and I think she just made it famous for everyone. Not saying that like I started it or anything like that, but you know, I don't want people to be like, oh, you stole that from Ariana Grande. No, I've been doing this hairstyle for years. It's perfect for dirty hair because your hair is down, but it still looks cute because like you can still hide that it's dirty. Actually, let's do a little bit of dry shampoo because it's like really bad. This is from Wella. This is the Dry Me Dry Shampoo. It's okay. It's not like the best dry shampoo ever. I don't know if I've like ever really truly found a dry shampoo that I'm obsessed with. Definitely let me know if you guys know of a really good dry shampoo that's not super expensive, because I don't really use dry shampoo that often. I don't want to spend a lot of money on it, but yeah, you guys are gonna have to let me know below. The trick with dry shampoo is when you spray it, you want to let it sit in your hair for just a couple of seconds so it really soaks up that oil, and then we're gonna go in and just like rub it in. Really let it soak up that oil, like get it all up in those roots. You see how much volume I have now? My hair was like slicked down yesterday, and now I have volume, and this one will leave a little bit of a white cast, so make sure you really rub it in, especially if you have dark hair. I noticed that if I'm not careful and I don't rub it in good enough, it'll leave that white cast. If I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking in my mirror. So sorry, I don't want you guys to think that I'm like not making eye contact because I'm just looking in my mirror so I can see. So I like to take like even parts on both sides. Now we're not going to do the whole half up like all this, but we're just gonna do this little part right here. We're gonna make this like cute. Usually I'll use a little tiny thin ponytail. I cannot find any for the life of me, so I'm just gonna take a regular ponytail. I'm gonna take this little brush. This is from Sally's. It's a teasing comb, but I actually don't use it to tease my hair. I use it to smooth out my frizzies because I have really, really frizzy hair. So we're just gonna kind of smooth out that top part. Just do your best to like make sure you don't get any lumps. I hate when I have those little lumps. Just gonna ponytail this right here. Oh. I actually like a little more of like a bump. Kind of like the old school Snooki poof, but like not too intense. So I like to just pull this a little bit. I have such a big forehead. I feel like I just like need a little bit of volume to like hide my huge forehead. You totally don't have to do this, but I think this just kind of makes it a little more like, a little more extra special. I'm gonna take a little piece of hair and just wrap it around to hide the ponytail. I'm just gonna pin this down. And this is easy to hide since you have this like ponytail right here. You can really hide that bobby pin. If you kind of have like any of those weird kinks, you can just take your flat iron. If my hair is kind of like flipping out or doing anything weird, I'll just kind of run it through, but I told you guys I did this yesterday, so it's still straight from yesterday. I kind of have like a weird thing going on right there. I'll just kind of like make it a little more presentable. Like this hairstyle is seriously so easy. I like to do this one in particular because I feel like it still looks cute because your hair is down, and I don't know, I'm not like a huge fan of my hair being up all the time. Like sometimes, even though I hate curling it and I just like don't want to do it because I'm lazy, I feel like I always want my bangs to be perfect, and like this part in the front is always the hardest part for me to do, but I feel like this is cute because it takes 2 seconds to do. You seriously just pull your hair up real quick. You don't have to hide the ponytail, but you can if you want. And yeah, this is pretty much it. If your hair is like doing something crazy at the end, you can just run the flat iron through it. My hair is curled and I do this hairstyle, I don't even recurl my hair. I'll recurl like maybe just like 2 or 3 pieces that have like maybe fallen. But mostly what I'll do is I'll just take a texturizing spray and just kind of like spray it in my hair to add a little bit more body, and it just is like a really cute, messy, like half up, half down hairstyle. So yeah, this is the first one. Definitely by far the easiest in my opinion because your hair is pretty much already done. Like all you gotta do is put the ponytail in it and it's so fast. So yeah, this is the first one. So easy and so cute for school too. If you guys see like little white things in my hair, it's because I had gel in it yesterday and the gel is flaking because I need to wash my hair. I'm so gonna wash my hair tonight. Like it is so dirty and disgusting. Okay, next one. All these hairstyles are also so simple. You guys are gonna look at these and be like, those are so easy. Why is she even showing us this? But I feel like some of them are kind of like underestimated. It's just all how you like fix it up. So for this, we're gonna part however you normally part. I am a middle part kind of girl. We're gonna do a low ponytail. This is very Kim K inspired. I think this is like one of my favorites if I want my hair slicked back. There's so much dry gel in my hair. It's ridiculous. Please ignore that. We're just gonna pull the hair back in this low ponytail. Make sure you get all the lumps out. Like especially for me, my hair gets like lumpy back here. I don't know why. So this teasing comb is so perfect for that because it just smooths out everything. These are really inexpensive. I'll also make sure if there's something that I talk about that I really like, I will make sure to link it in the description box below so you guys can check it out if you're interested. But this is definitely like a personal favorite because my hair is really frizzy and it gets really frizzy like around here, around my part. This I feel like really helps to just smooth out those frizzes. I'm gonna take my ponytail. There's just something about this slick back hairstyle that I feel like it's just so polished looking, even though it's so simple and like just so easy to do. I feel like it's so underrated. It's just like so sleek and polished. I love the way that it looks, but we're gonna like zhuzh it up just a bit. So I just like to make sure that there's no frizzies sticking out. And what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of this hairspray. This is from Sebastian. It is the Reshaper hairspray. It's more of like a workable hairspray. It's good for something like where if you don't want like a sticky hold, this isn't that sticky. So I like to spray it on the brush. I actually don't use hairspray unless I'm doing a look like this, but yeah, I always like end up spraying it on my face, or it gets on my mirror or all over the counter, and I hate that. So I like to spray it on the brush, this little teasing brush, and just run it through wherever my hair is really frizzy. You can leave it like this and just take your flat iron, and again, if you're having like any weird situations, you can just like run it through the end. I always like to take a little piece of hair. I'm gonna do the same thing. Just take this little strand and wrap it around the ponytail and just kind of smooth this one. There we go. I just like to take that little piece of hair and wrap it around the pony, and I feel like that just makes it a little more like, more polished looking. Okay, so that's the second one. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the final hairstyle. So for this, we're gonna do a top knot, and I used to hate doing top knots. They're like a recent love for me, probably within like the last 3 years or so. I've really been into a top knot. I know lots of people do their top knots different. Some people do them like really slick back, some people do them messy. I personally like it to be very smooth up at the top with just a little bit of volume, but let me show you guys how I do this. My hair is really thick, and I never used to like to do a top knot because I had such a hard time with my thick hair to get it to like lay right. You know what I mean? Let me go down a little bit because this bun's about to get high up. What I started doing was taking this gel. This is from L'Oreal. It's the Lock It Clean Style All Day Mess Proof Natural Shine Gel. It's a really strong hold gel. Very inexpensive. I think it's like $4 or $5. I'll take like a quarter size amount and just run it all through my hands. And then this is what's gonna help, especially if you have really thick hair like I do. I have a lot of layers in my hair, so sometimes the layers will stick out of the top knot. So I like to take it and run it through the whole top. I'll run it through the ends. I actually need a little bit more. This is why my hair is so flaky. If you guys saw those white flakes, it's because I put all this gel in my hair already yesterday. So I especially like to take it through the ends because sometimes, like since I have so many layers, my hair just doesn't want to like lay nicely in the top knot, and we don't have time for that. So I'll just run this through my hair. This is definitely a hairstyle where you want to do this like the day before you're gonna wash your hair, because let me tell you, your hair is gonna be looking greasy as fuck when you take it out of this top knot. We're gonna do a nice, really high ponytail. I like to see where I want to put it, kind of get an eyeball of where I'm gonna go ahead and secure it. And then before I do that, I'll take this teasing comb again and just like smooth out all those lumpy areas. I have a little lump right there, so I'm just gonna smooth that out. I like a little bit of volume up here because again, I have a big forehead. I'll put the hair in the loop. I'll kind of push my hair like forward like this, and it creates like a little pump of volume right there. So my hair is not super, super flat to my head. This is a lot of fucking work. Whew! I am hot, let me tell you. I want just a little more volume, so I'll just kind of hold the pony and then just kind of like pull them forward just a little bit. If you have thicker hair, or you have more of like a blunt cut, or you have a lot of layers, like I have a lot of layers in my hair, so I have to do it this way, and this is what helps like keep it in place. I can't do just the one ponytail because my layers don't want to stay down. So I'll split it in half like this, and we're gonna wrap it, but when you wrap it, you wanna make sure that the hair stays flat. So pull it forward, like don't make sure it's twisted or anything like that. And then you're just gonna wrap it around. And because we put gel all through the bottom of the ponytail, it's gonna help keep those like baby hairs, or if you have layers, it's gonna help keep those in place. So take your bobby pin and just secure this in place. See how I have this little piece sticking out right here? We're gonna be able to hide that with this piece. So grab your second half. You wanna go in the same direction so we can hide that last place where we secured it. And this is where it gets a little difficult for me because I have a lot of layers again. So I'm gonna use actually a couple of bobby pins This is what I have to do because my hair is a pain in my ass. Secure that first spot, and then we'll do this second little piece right here. Ugh, this is a gold bobby pin. This is from when my hair was blonde and I refused to get rid of them. I just use them anyway. So, okay, see this right here? Like, this is what I'm talking about. I probably should have put a little more gel, but that's okay. We'll just use some hairspray to get that to stay down. So, just right there. Just do a like nice little amount. I don't want that guy coming out and, you know, making an appearance. Take your little teasing comb and kind of work that into the bun. And there we go. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Sometimes like it doesn't look this nice the first time and I kind of have to go in and smooth some things out. Just make sure everything is in place. I get these annoying baby hairs, so usually I have to go in and kind of like brush those up. That's pretty much it. So yeah, those are my 3 quick, fast back to school hairstyles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm so sorry for that like week-long break that I took. I'm going to do my best to never do that again because I missed you guys and I missed filming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what other types of videos you want to see. Let me know if you guys want to see Halloween tutorials. I have a couple in mind that I want to do, but I don't know. I'm excited for fall and fall makeup tutorials, but creatively, I'm just not in the mindset for Halloween. Maybe when October rolls around, I'll feel a little more inspired. I don't know, we'll see. But if you guys have any Halloween tutorials that you're interested in seeing, make sure you let me know below. And then also let me know if there's any fall makeup tutorials you want to see or just anything in general that you guys are interested in seeing. Make sure you let me know in the comments below and I will be more than happy to film them. As usual, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe before you go. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you in my next one.